guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I just made myself a nice Vietnamese coffee and I'm having it in my Deadpool cup by the Soul Store. Mm, love it. But today's video is going to be like a little haul of everything I bought from Malaysia. You know I love this thing. मैं ना souvenirs में I don't buy fridge magnets only, or sometimes not even fridge magnets, but I love to buy the local stuff, what they're selling, something that is of something that is locally used a lot, probably spices or perfume or anything like that. So this video is actually about uh, all the things. Again, like, this video is actually about things that I've got from Malaysia, and this is one bag, and then we have another bag. So these are the things that I generally use a lot, and it reminds me of that place. So it's not something as just like a postcard, or I'm having cold, which is why I'm not able to speak in one flow for a long time, but I'm going to try to speak slowly. So these are the things that I've uh, not just kept at one place. They are things that I actually use. So I get this for myself or my friends or my family and everybody around, so that they can use it and actually live the culture in a way that sometimes probably some of them can't, or I cannot relive the culture. And a fridge magnet does not help. So this is me in a way promoting the fact that if you guys travel, please buy the stuff that they sell over there, or try to get things from like a supermarket over there which you can actually use in your daily life, because that will hold more importance rather than just a fridge magnet. And I really want you guys to do that. So yeah. Anyway, the first thing that we have got is this, which is a Pokemon. And Malaysia has a lot of this toys and anime and stuff. Like, there were Pokeballs everywhere, but they were super expensive. But this we got from near a metro station when we were going Chinatown. And there was this man who had like just 5 or 6 toys. He was selling them. He did not even like have like a proper shop. It was just down near the metro station, and he had this. So obviously, because, and I saw it first, and I know how big of a fan Sagar is for Pokemons, so I told him to get it, and we got like a very good deal. We got this for like around 200 rupees INR mein. So that's cool, and the quality and everything also looks super cool. So obviously we get it here as well, but like, it's cute. Like, it's like I'm catching the Pokemons from all around the world in a way. Like Pokemon Go in real life. And then from another shop, we got this, which is like a bear, but like in a proper suit and stuff. And isko chipkane ke liye hai. So I actually got it from my niece, Sienna, but now I'm thinking, because I also like it so much. So I don't know if I should give her this or not, because she plays with so many toys and I barely have toys. So I'm not sure if I'm going to give it to her, but I will. I mean, this is so cute. Like, I'm going to give it to her, and then I'm going to go to play with her and my toy. Let me know like a good name that I could give to this toy. But look at it, it's so cute. And these are the toys you don't like, you would probably not get it here, or like, they're just so cute, like super cute. Next I got from the 7-Eleven is this vegetarian cup from Mami's. And Mami's is a brand udhar, jahan pe, like, there are so many ramen stores and stuff. There's so many ramen that they sell, and Mami's is the only brand, and 7-Eleven ka khud ka brand, which does vegetarian ramen or vegetarian noodles. So I got this, and interested to give a review on this. You guys know कि मैं और मेरी बहन ramen videos बनाते हैं, so probably then, let's see, not sure. Next I got is this really interesting stuff that they were selling at the 7-Eleven and Family Mart and stuff. No, actually this was not at 7-Eleven, this was at Family Mart, which is another version, a little expensive version of 7-Eleven, and it's matcha latte, and उसमें काफ़ी coffee versions भी थे. So cup भी आता है, and उसके अंदर there is all the ingredients of matcha and everything. So like, it's a dry cup basically. You just have to pour in hot water like a premix, and you get a cup to like drink and everything. So this was again like super cheap, like a ready to drink matcha on the go for like maybe 120 rupees INR mein. Again, amazing, and I love matcha, so I got this to try. Yeah, another thing from the Family Mart, we got this red bean mochi. This is, I think, a Japanese thing. I'm not sure, but it was like 4 RM, which was like 80 rupees. So mochi balls and like um just 80 rupees and four of them. So cool. Like these are the snacks of Malaysia in a way. And so it's interesting to see what are the snacks they eat. Like because हम यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ खाते रहते हैं, those are our snacks. जैसे कि vada pav is like a very famous thing for Mumbaikars, and Delhi mein chaat is super famous. So just like that, like this is a snack which is really like famous in Malaysia. I'm gonna try this today, so I'm so excited. Next up, we have is this book that I got from KKV shop, which is like very tall yellow building at Bukit Bintang. And again, like all these cute stuff that you see, they are very expensive in Malaysia. And this, like, I had to get something for myself, and I was just looking at things. There were pens and eraser and stuff like that, other stationery. But this actually caught my eye. I'm like, okay, this is like a diary that I can use. And I wanted to buy something, but something that's not super expensive as well. So I got this, which is so cute, like a bear and like a plain, beautiful blue shade book and diary, and it says "Feed me," which is exactly what I feel all the time. Like I just want to be fed. यहाँ से ये सेम शॉप से केकेवी से वी ऑल्सो गॉट सागर का लेगो चारमिंडर वर्जन. He is out there actually making it today, and I think he's shooting that entire like assembling thing in his Ray-Ban. So I will ask for his video, and I'm gonna insert, and you're gonna see like how cute that is. Like I said, yeah, he's a big fan of Pokemon and Pokeball. I know you're gonna judge me a lot for this, but we have got not one, not two, but three big, huge ass packets of coffee. Look, they're so big. Okay, I'm gonna tell you हर एक के पीछे एक story. So this is like a 3-in-1 coffee, and again one of the cool brands there. So this we got it from Langkawi. No, this we got it from Penang. And we also got this green tea latte, which is basically matcha only. And iska bhi premix I got. So all these things I got from the shops itself, because I was like, कि मुझे, because I'm really keen on like trying coffee, and I really like the coffee in Penang. So हम लोग को पेनांग में ग्राउंड कॉफ़ी नहीं मिल रही थी, हम लोग को प्री मिक्स मिल रही थी, तो हम लोग ने ये वाली ले ली फ्रॉम फ्रॉम पेनांग, एंड ये हम लोग ने लंकावी से लिया. नाउ हम लोग को एक्चुअल पेनांग कॉफ़ी मिली बाद में on like some of the last days. So Penang coffee is something that we really liked because Penang coffee जो होती है उसके जो beans होते हैं, they are roasted with sugar and margarine, and that's how the coffee itself, like you know, the Americano taste that you have or the espresso that you have, it itself has like a sweet little taste, which is amazing. And so we really like that, like usko sirf ice ke sath dalo and have like an iced americano, and you would love it. I'm telling you, we had coffee in a theli, which was the Penang coffee. So we actually got this, and we got like a very good deal. We got it for like 1450, which is uh oh my god, yeah, ये पूरा पैकेट हम लोग को अराउंड 300 रुपीज में पड़ा है. That's it actually, yeah. So again, amazing, loved it. Sinbun K Coffee. It was founded in 1944, and we're soon gonna buy like a coffee machine. So I'm so excited to be trying this, like the beans. And in Langkawi, there was this one place, like a Thai place, जहाँ पे there were proper vegetarian Thai food, जहाँ से मुझे मैं matcha पी रही थी, matcha पी रही थी, थाई मिल्क टी पी रही थी, सब कुछ पी रही थी. एंड ऑन आवर लास्ट डे इन लंकावी वी वेंट टू एक्चुअली टेक अ matcha and like Thai tea from them, and we just casually asked them कि you know where do you get your beans from, because हम लोग को जो भी सब मिल रहे थे सब मुझे हम लोग को premix दे रहे थे. Nobody was giving us the ground coffee, so they were the ones that told us कि ये जगह पे मिलेगी. And then Sagar casually just asked them, can you sell sell yours to us, because that's the same thing we did in Vietnam 5 years ago, where we actually got authentic coffee which the locals use, which we love. We didn't want premix, which is, which is sold for tourists. We wanted the authentic one. And so they gave, like, they sold us this packet jo unka khud ka stock se tha. We were like ready to buy. Like, they just said a price and we gave it. We did like zero bargaining or like understanding or thinking कि क्या ये worth है, क्या हमें और कहीं सस्ता मिल सकता है. We were like right then and there sold, because they were selling us from their own stock. So that's how we got the ground coffee. So that's how we have like 4 huge packets of coffee. I'm thinking that we'll give some to our friends, like the premix and stuff, because I think they'll enjoy the premix one. Or whatever, like, but the ground coffee, I think we can give it to our friends and family when they come home, and we can actually make them taste what we actually like. And even for the Penang one, we actually got more coffee. So we have another friend. Where is it? We have another friend who's like super fond of coffee, and Old Town Coffee is also like super famous in Malaysia. So we got like hazelnut flavor ke pack of three. We can give him this to try, and yeah, I think he'll enjoy it, I feel. So that is what we got. Call me cheap, like legit, you can call me cheap, but I got these coffee Indo Cafe, which again I really liked. And Indo Cafe का बहुत promotion throughout मैंने मलेशिया देखा. And Indo Cafe के coffee जो 3 in 1 है, ये हम लोग को hotel room में दे रहे थे, like जैसे tea coffee का sachet होता है. So they kept that, and I was like, okay, but मैं तो already बाहर का coffee पी रही हूँ, so I don't want it. So I was like, might as well carry it. So that's why, like, you call me cheap, but like I carried these back home over here. And yeah, I'm gonna drink that. Like, I paid my money for the hotel, and I had this included in my thing, so maybe I'm not wrong in taking it back home. I don't know. But yeah. Also, hojicha ka ready to make packet tha. Got it from 7-Eleven. I did not try this yet. I want to make a video of it, my first time trying, because hojicha is the next trendy thing that's gonna come after the matcha latte. So I am excited to try this and have like a first-hand opinion on this. Really excited. I'm gonna like share the video here. You guys can see it. Next we got like chotu stuff. What is it? Where is it? Yeah, I got like Lotus Biscoff from duty free, and then I got like Nutella on the go. Just to say time pass mein. Oh, I also got these really cute things, Didi and Friends. And it says there's gonna be like, so this is a cheese, pink one is a cheese flavored biscuit, and this one is a chocolate flavored biscuit. And it says that there is a free mystery gift inside. So should I open it now? Let me see. Okay. I mean, I was sold because of how cute the packaging is. I am literally like a kid. Oh, okay. These are the biscuits inside, जो थोड़े टूट चुके हैं. What is this? I think this is an eraser. Yeah, but how cute! It's so cute. I love all these cute stuff. I'm gonna use it. Actually, I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna keep it. मैं क्या ही erase करूँ इससे? मेरी life के problems तो erase नहीं होंगे. Yeah, but okay, if this is the mystery gift, then it's a little saddening. I was expecting something else. I thought maybe like एक छोटा सा figure या कुछ देंगे, like how Kinder Joy does. ये भी open करके देखो, इसमें भी अगर same रहा, then it's a little disappointing. But I was really excited. It's the same. It's the same. I think it's an eraser. Yeah, but it's okay. I anyway wanted to take it, and like ये biscuits तो सागर अभी 5 मिनट में खत्म कर लेगा. What else we have next? Some more coffee, and oh yeah, uh, got this hand fan. I'm not opening it. Got this hand fan basically, and it's like a Chinese engraved hand fan. So मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. I thought I'll just get it for my family and stuff. I got like 3. Finally, it's recording again, and you thought the video went on mute from your end, right? But no, it is my mic stopped working. But anyway, we are anyway on the last leg of the video. I showed you, the last thing I showed you was the fan, yeah. And then I also got really interesting coasters. If you've seen my video, I mean, if you'll see my video abhi, Penang has a lot of these marble tiles and stuff, and मुझे बहुत interesting लगे. So ये tiles जो है, they have they were selling coasters of these tiles, and they are like pretty heavy that way. So I got like a lot of them. Like I got two in the same like square shape, then I got two in like mandala sort of a thing of different designs, different colors. These two are again the same one. So really, really found it like super interesting. And I got them from a souvenir shop. So it was amazing. Like मतलब वो souvenir shop में मेरे को काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें मिल गई थी in Langkawi itself. And speaking of Langkawi, Langkawi is actually known as the duty free island. Uh, एंड सो उधर अल्कोहल और चॉकलेट्स वगैरह सब काफ़ी मतलब ड्यूटी फ्री प्राइस में है बेसिकली बट यू कांट टेक alcohol like more alcohol from there, so you need to be in Langkawi for like 48 hours or 2 nights and 3 days, and we were there for utna time. So per person hame allowed है to take like one bottle each in the flight. So I got like yuzu gin, and I was really interested to try. You see कि इतना सारा मतलब खत्म तो हो चुका है इतना वाला, but I have not tried it because there were like festivities going on, so I did not get a chance. But my friends did, and उनका opinion है that this is like super strong. So I am actually excited to try. And I got this soju. This is my first time trying soju, and I got the grapefruit one. This was also like promoted or marketed over there as Korea's number one soju. So which is why. I got this and I'm excited to try it. And ye to like direct spirit, you're supposed to like have it like that. So I got it in the flavor grapefruit. So yeah, two bottles. And also like perfumes पे भी duty free price लगता है. But proper जो मतलब you know like you would expect Chanel or Dior ये सब पे नहीं था. But there were a lot of these perfume shops that were selling the dupes of Dior and Chanel and stuff like that. So we got the dupes. I mean, सस्ता पड़ा हम लोग को तो ठीक है. Like, I mean, the whole factor is to like smell good, and so we got it. This is Onier. This is Lovely Femme. So these are, I don't know the brands. Like मेरे को ये brands के बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ पता नहीं है. But just the fact that they are dupes of you know Dior and this. So this one I got like two in pink. हाँ. ये सैवियोर इंटेंस करके जो है, दिस वाज अ ड्यूप ऑफ डियोर मेन एक्वा वाला आई थिंक. एंड ये जो है लवली फेमे इज अ ड्यूप ऑफ डियोर ब्लश, द क्लासिक डियोर जो पिंक में आता है वो. एंड देयर वाज दिस अनदर ड्यूप विच इज ऑफ लाइक विक्टोरिया सीक्रेट, पता नहीं कहाँ पे, या तो उसका पैकेजिंग भी वैसा ही है, सिमिलर थोड़ा. बट या all these things I got, and I think that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon. And now I'm gonna go because it's dinner time almost, and I was editing this video when I realized कि खत्म मतलब ये आगे का portion audio record ही नहीं हुआ है. Now it is recording, thank God. So I had to re-record it right now. But yeah, let me know what kind of other videos do you want to see on this channel, because this is like a regular vlog channel, like daily vlog channel. And whatever like suggestions you have, like for low effort content thoda, I can do that, because this is more about quantity rather than quality. Like I still try to maintain the quality though. But yeah, anyway, do let me know that, and do follow me on Instagram at the forum x. And that's about it. Also, happy Ganu Day, and I'm so excited for Navratri now after this. So it's all like fun. Like अभी फिर दिवाली भी आ जाएगा, फिर क्रिसमस आ जाएगा, like सब कुछ like fun आते रहने वाला है अभी. It's gonna be nice. But yeah, anyway, that's about it. I'm gonna see you later. Bye bye.